In this video, I'll show you how to use the calendar view in Asana. Now, to use the calendar view, what you need to do is add it within your projects. And in order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. From here, you want to head over to the bottom and choose the first option, which is projects. Once you do that, you'll see the list of all of your projects. And from here, let's say I want to do the project for my t-shirt design. So just simply click on the project. Now, once you were on your project, the first step is to add a calendar view. And to do that, head over to the views at the top. From here, you want to head over to the right-hand side, click on the plus sign to add a tab. And below the tab, you want to choose the fifth option, which is calendar. Now, once you do that, as you can see, we have here a calendar. Now, in order for you to use the calendar, what you can do, and the easiest way to do this is to head over to your list view or your board. I will do it on my list view. Now, on the list view on here, I want to add a section, and let's say that this will be their tasks. Now, below the task, you want to add a task. So let's say this will be the design of a t-shirt. And in order for you to show this within the calendar view, you want to head over to the right-hand side and add an assignee as well as a due date. So from here on the assignee, I will hover my mouse, I will click on the plus sign. And from here, I just want to add the user. Now on the right-hand side, this is where we need to set a due date. So from here, I will click on the plus sign to add a due date. And in here, this is where we can set a due date for this task. So let's say this will be due in the 5th of June. At the bottom, you can even add a time. Let's say we will do this on 5 p.m. This is the deadline. We can also set a repeat if that is something that you want to apply. But once that has been added, if you head over to the calendar view, from here, we can scroll to the top and head over to June. And as you can see, we have here the task for June. What you can also do is within the calendar view itself, you can add the task itself. So at the bottom, let's say we want to add a due on the 8th of June. And in here, you will also see the date. As you can see here at the top, it is set as June 2026. From here, this is Sunday up until Saturday. This is the whole week. So let's say from here, we want to head over to the bottom, click on add task. And in here, we will add a simple task. And once you have that task, and if you click on it on the right-hand side, you can add more information within that task. Now on the calendar view, if you head over to the top and the right corner, you can set the weeks into months, and it will look exactly like this. As you can see, it will show you the whole month, and if you scroll down, it can also change depending on how much you scroll. So on here, what you can also do is set a filter, and this will be for all the incomplete tasks. Let's say this is an incomplete task, and once you do that, it will automatically show you all of the tasks that are incomplete. And if you are satisfied with a specific view, in here at the top and the right corner, you can even save it in order for you to only show the view in which you have created. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.